Welcome back to Editing 24/7. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your lettering from the uppercase to sorry, from the lowercase to the uppercase. So yeah, you can do that in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So let's type in something first. Let's say okay, editing 24/7. All right. Um, I'll make it a little larger for you guys so it's easy for you guys to see. So let's say I want to change this into, right now it's in lowercase. I want to change the whole thing into uppercase. In order to do that, simply tap the text and go to this top section. Here you can see different options like text color, bold, and like underline stuff. So here comes the option of uppercase. You have to simply tap in there, and there you go. It has been changed to uppercase. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.